Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to use Wix Editor. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google and type in wix.com. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Wix if you haven't already done that. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. In the top left corner, we have my sites where you can check out all of your websites. We have of course the setup, home, we have the settings, and we have the design sites, and of course the dashboard where we are at the very moment. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and use Wix Editor. So to use Wix Editor, you need to go and follow these few steps. Of course, you need to go and open the Wix Editor by creating your website. So basically, I am at the editor at the moment, so you can go and click on Preview in the top right corner to preview your website, but you can go and click back to Editor there. So when you create your website, you will have it. Then add in customized elements using the drag and drop editor to create your site with customized elements. So you can please click elements, add sections, add pages and menu, and all of those things, which you can of course click on plus and just add them and drag them as you can go and see. Customize your site design, then work with sections, strips, and themes, as I already told you. Add and edit media, customize text, add images, and create pages. Then preview and publish your site, and that's basically that, guys. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it would be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, as I already told you, I hope that you enjoyed it. And guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next one. Until then, bye guys.